Welcome to Sana 24 into 7 YouTube channel. Yes, our documentary on modern sporting will be soon, as we got here rare photographs of modern sporting club that was being felicitated at the Government House 11th of August 1935. Yes, Modern Sporting is the first Indian team to win the league title, Calcutta Football League title in 1934. And they were felicitated by the then Governor of Bengal, that is Honorable Sir John Anderson, at the Governor House. Yes, that was called Government House. That is a photographs of Modern Sporting Club in the Government House on 11th of August 1935. Modern Sporting won the league title in 1934 and 1935. This is the group photographs of all the players which participated in 34 and 30. You can see there, yes, is standing there behind, that is behind Khwaja Nazimuddin. John Anderson is there, as you can see. Moinuddin, Rahim, Masoom, Jumma Khan on the left. Yes, Jumma Khan, a great player, a great defender. So, we will go through the group photographs, the positions of the player, and you can see Jumma Khan and Masoom, Shirazi, Shafiq. Yes, this is another photograph, the group photographs, not at the Government House, but somewhere else, as we dig very deep into the history of Mohammedan Sporting Club, which was the first Indian team to win the league title in 1934. So, we will be going through the names of the players who are standing there. Yes, that is the team in the early 30s when Mohammedan Sporting won 5 times. Yes, you can see John Anderson, and on his left Khwaja Nazimuddin, and there is Ashraf Ali, Maulvi Ghaffur, the football secretary. On the left are Jumma Khan, Subaidu Ali Mullah. Yes, Modern Sporting Club. Now we will go into the details of the players later on, but for the time being, this is a rare photographs of the Modern Sporting team, the club which was founded in 1891. Yes, it was founded in 1891, and you can see sitting there is Abbas Mirza, the captain of the team in the 1934 when Mohammedan Sporting won the league title, and another sitting is Muhammad Shafi. Yes, you can see the players behind. From standing left, Muhammad Anis, that was from the football committee. Yasin, Sattar, Moinuddin, Rahim is there. Yes, 3 are Rahim, Rashid, and Rahmat. The 3 are of Modern Sporting. Masoom, Jumma Khan, Shirazi, Qayyum, Salim, Shafiq, and Fazlullah. And seated Mr. Subaid Ali Mullah, Hafiz Rashid, Shrafat Hussain, football captain, Khan Sahib, Sayyid Ahmad Rashid, Honorable Khwaja Sir Nazimuddin, and Sir John Anderson, Governor of Bengal, Qazi Ashraf Ali, and he is, that is Abbas Mirza, the captain of the team when Mohammedan Sporting won the league title in 1934. Yes, Abbas Mirza of East Pakistan, and he was Calcutta University Blue. You can see Masoom, yes, Masoom, Rahim, yes, Rahim in the middle, Masoom on his left, and you can also see Mohiuddin, and that is a rare photograph which the team was felicitated at the Government House, that was called Government House in 1935 when Mohammedan Sporting won 2 titles. Yes, 2 titles in 34-35. Sirampur Challenge Shield, that is in 32, 33 and 34. Then Smith Challenge Shield tournament in Havra. Yes, and they were runners up, not runners up, they lost in the semi final in the 1935 league title. You can see Rahim, in between, and on his left is that all great players, Masoom, Jumma Khan, Shirazi, and yes, Subaid Ali Mullah is also there. Subaid Ali Mullah, Hafiz Rashid on the left of Subaid Ali Mullah, Mohammad Sharafat Hussain, he was the football captain, and you can see from left is standing Muhammad Anis, Sattar Mohiuddin Rahim, and he is another player, that is Muhammad Shafi of Modern Sporting Club, sitting with that trophy. That was a group photographs of the Modern Sporting team. All time great player here, Shafiq Fazlullah, and you can see the players. Sattar was also there, Masoom, and sitting on the extreme is Abrarul Zama Khan, and sitting on the floor is on the right is Shafi, and Abbas Mirza on the left. As you can see, Don Anderson along with Khwaja Nazimuddin and Subaid Ali Mullah. As you can see, Anis, Yasin, Sattar, Mohiuddin, Rahim, Masoom, Jumma Khan, Shirazi, Qayyum, Salim, Shafiq, Fazlullah, and seated on the chair there Subaid Ali Mullah, and he is Abbas Mirza, the captain when Mohammedan Sporting won the title in 1934. Yes, that is the team, the group photographs of the team, which were felicitated by the governor of West Bengal, that was John Anderson, at the government house. Now we go through the photographs. Yes, standing from left, Mr. Muhammad Anis, Football Committee, Yasin, Sattar, Mohiuddin, Rahim, Masoom, Jumma Khan, Shirazi, Qayyum, Salim, Shafiq, and Fazlullah. Yes, they are the players standing, players and committee members standing behind and seated. Yes, on the chair from left, Subaid Ali Mullah, football committee member, Hafiz Rashid, Mohammad Sharafat Hussain, football captain, the then football captain. Actually, Abbas Mirza was the captain of Mohammedan Sporting, won the league title in 1934. So, Hafiz Rashid, Sharafat Hussain, Khan Sahib Sayyid Ahmad Rashid, he was the general secretary. Honorable Khwaja Sir Nazimuddin, president of the club. His Excellency, Honorable Sir John Anderson, the then governor of Bengal, he was the patron of the club. Qazi Ashraf Ali, finance secretary. Maulvi Ghafoor, he was the football secretary. Aqil Ahmad, Abrarul Zama Khan, football committee member, and Azmat Ali, football committee member. And sitting on the ground are Abbas Mirza and Muhammad Shafi.